Good noon, my lovable children, respectable guardians, parents, and all viewers. Firstly, Happy New Year and Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. In previous chapter, Standard 2 GK, that means Charlie Chaplin, with different cartoon characters, Mickey Mouse, Doraemon. They are different. That means Charlie Chaplin and Walt Disney name, cartoon character, comedian name, inspiring personalities. At chapter 12, Walt Disney and Charlie Chaplin. Have you heard? You have already heard this name. So today we discuss about chapter 12, Charlie Chaplin. It's very important personality also. And let's come to topic and know more about it. Start. Then standard 2, chapter 12. That means already previous chapter already discussed about Walt Disney. See the picture carefully. Walt Disney is a very important character also. He was film producer and several cartoon films like Pinocchio, Snow White, Seven Dwarfs, Bambi, Fantasy, a different character. Then like that, the Charlie Chaplin, very important personality also. Charlie Chaplin, born 16 April 1889, died 25 December 1977, country Britain. And Charlie Chaplin was an English comedian and filmmaker. And he downturned little man in baggy pants and bowler hat. He made himself in order to make audience laugh. Very comedian also, and his movies have made people laugh and cry at the same time. Okay, let's come to the hard copy and general knowledge, page 20, standard 2, inspiring for Charlie Chaplin. First questions, number A, Charlie Chaplin, tick the correct option. Charlie Chaplin died on 25th December 1977, and Charlie Chaplin died on death 25th December 1977. Number B, Charlie Chaplin belonged to which country? Answer, Britain. Charlie Chaplin belonged to Britain. That means number C, Charlie Chaplin was an English comedian. Additional questions, I have added extra questions. That means Charlie Chaplin born on 16 April 1889. Number E, Charlie Chaplin was an English comedian and filmmaker. Keep remember. Number A, what was Charlie Chaplin's middle name? Answer, Spencer. The Charlie Chaplin's middle name was Spencer. That means Charlie Spencer Chaplin's. Okay. Then Charlie Chaplin's middle name Spencer. Keep remember. Number B. What was the nickname of Charlie Chaplin's most famous movie character? Answer, the Tramp. The nickname of Charlie Chaplin's most famous movie character, the Tramp. Number C. How many children did Charlie Chaplin's father? That means 11. And how many children did Charlie Chaplin's father? That means 11. Next questions, D. Which historical figure did Charlie Chaplin satirize in his film The Great Dictator? That means Hitler. You already heard this name. Hitler is very strict person, very regulating person, principle. So it is the Hitler. Hitler name you already heard this name. So which historical figure did Charlie Chaplin satirize his film The Great Dictator? That means Hitler and Adolf Hitler. That means number E, in what film did Charlie Chaplin portray a banker who marries and murders this woman? That means Monsieur Vendur. Is the very important film, Monsieur Vendur. Chapter 13. Let's come to topic. Next chapter, chapter 13. Chapter 13. That means everyday helpers. Already you know already see also in your house at your home, and that means machines. Different machines at home. That means TV, television, computer, camera, and stapler, mobile phone, and computer, stapler, clock, washing machine, air conditioner, different machines. But you know what you know about this film, how to use when, and so machines are our everyday helpers. They make our work easier and easier. Identify the machines in the picture, write the correct alphabet against the number from the clue box. Okay, then let's come to the hard copy. Who are our everyday helpers? Machines are our everyday helpers. Number 2, desks make our work easier and faster. Machines. Number B, write the full form of the following. First I, A.C. AC, that means air conditioner. Next question, second I, TV, that means full form television. Number C, answer the following questions. Number 1, who invented mobile phone? Martin Cooper. Keep remember, Martin Cooper discovered mobile phone. Number 2, Name the first mobile phone that Motorola. You know already heard this. Don't heard this name. So keep it remember. Motorola is on 3 April 1973. The first mobile phone. I've invented a mobile phone. That means Martin Cooper. Next questions. Who invented air conditioner? AC. Full form of AC. Air conditioner. Willis Carrier on July 17, 1902. Which year? July 17, 1902. Willis Carrier invented air conditioner. Number 4. Who invented camera? Johann Jahn. That means the Johann Jahn is the invented discovered camera. Number 5. Who invented stapler? That means Charles Henry Gould. That means Charles Henry Gould invented stapler. That stapler machine already you know. And number 6. Who invented clock? That means answer Christian Huygens. That means who invented clock? Christian Huygens. That means the invented clock. Number 7. Who invented washing machine? That means answer Jacob Christian Schaffer. That means who invented washing machine? That means Jacob Christian Schaffer. Standard 2, chapter 14 GK. Fill in the blanks. Chapter 14. Let's come to the topic. Chapter 14. Underwater creatures. There are so many kinds of fishes and other water creatures. Some of them are given below. Identify and write down names. Let's come to the hard copy. Chapter 14 GK. Number 1. Dolphin. Number 2. That means clownfish. Number 3. That means shark. You know how this name shark. Number 4. That means stingray. Sting. That means tentacles. Number 5. Whale. The largest mammal in the world, blue whale. Number 5. Number 6. Starfish. You know starfish. Star-like structures. It's structure of star. So that is the starfish. Number 7. Crab, you know, Odia meaning conqueror. Crabs, that means you'll already see in the house at your field also in the field. So crab. And number 8, octopus. Yes, this structure octopus. And ghost-like structures octopus. And number 9, the seahorse. Samudra, basically it is found in sea. So it is called this name is called seahorse. Number 10, jellyfish. Jellyfish, jelly-like structure, you know jelly. So fill in the blanks. Dolphin, D-L-P-H-I-N-D-U-O, dolphin. So be carefully, see the careful, do practice more and more this type of fill in blanks. So keep remember, do practice, and thank you so much.